On this Learning and Design Lab, we brought together 20 students coming from Strathmore University and Imperial College London. And for this lab, we had We Centre as our industry partner. And the challenge that they had posed to the students was to support them in providing solutions which help in the uptake and adoption of the smart bin, which they are currently using to ensure that the collection of e-waste is seamless.
Our solution was majorly trying to increase awareness as well as increase engagement of the users. How we went about solving and coming up with the solution is we visited the center, engaged with different stakeholders, which included users of the smart bin, users of normal bins who haven't interacted with the smart bin yet, officials of the We Centre, and other potential users. After engaging with the stakeholders, we then came up with a prototype, and then we got the prototype tested, and then the final day we worked on refining our prototypes and then prepared a pitch presentation.
This feedback that they got from their users and the staff at We Centre, they were able to use the feedback to better the solutions that they had created, which ultimately made the pitches better.
Our solution was to use an incentive system whereby when you are dropping your e-waste as a user, maybe you have a broken phone or you have a broken laptop, you are really attached to your product that you don't want to let go. So we came up with a mechanism where you will be given some incentives or some points when you drop your e-waste, and then this point you can be able to redeem them through shopping, through paying for any other services that you would like through the partnership of We Centre and other organizations.
The challenge that we were trying to solve is towards the adoption of e-waste disposal, so helping the community find solutions towards e-waste disposal and how can they increase awareness towards the hazardous effects of e-waste and the importance of correctly disposing it. And in the end, we developed an app that allows users or people that have e-waste at their homes connect with agents from the We Centre so that they can facilitate the disposal of the e-waste.
Log into the app, see the various drop-off points and just...
The diversity of thought and the kind of ideas that they had and how they put up all those presentations together in such a short time, to me, I loved seeing that, loved seeing the teamwork, because they're from different cultures, they've just met and we're already seeing the kind of things they're coming up with. I would love to see what would happen if they were given more time together.
It's such a powerful way of engaging in the sense that the students are also able to gain experience, industrial experience, not just the theoretical things that they hear in a class situation, but have hands-on experience on sorting out a societal challenge that is facing industry.
You go there, you put in your phone, the phone goes inside, it checks if it's e-waste or not. If it's not e-waste, it's thrown out.
It was a 1 week, very short, ended very quickly, but it was well worth it. The students enjoyed, they're able to apply those learnings going forward in terms of when they're thinking about building solutions.
It was very nice to work as a team with students from the UK and students from Strathmore. The dynamic was really nice. We all had different ideas, but we were able to build upon the different ideas we had as individuals and then come up with a common solution. And also understanding that even though we come from different backgrounds, we still have very similar interests, similar dreams, we work in similar ways. So it's kind of nice to see that even though we're very different in many ways, we're also very similar in other ways.
I've got some very good insights and also sharing what we face as challenges to them, and also them giving us advice on how we can approach some problems. It has been really great.
I'm remaining with connections from Imperial British College. I made quite a number of friends. I'm also remaining with knowledge. I learned a new methodology, design research, of coming up with solutions to problems, which I think is very effective.
Having the different perspectives, some from the UK, some from Kenya, and seeing what they came up with, to me I thought was beautiful, and it's something that I think should really continue right into the future.